What Makes a Great Campaign? Your How-To Guide by Gary Pascasio. Welcome back. Today I will share with you about target audience, eligibility, action plan, building a budget in order to develop a great campaign. Let's have a recap. In the last episode we talked about purpose and goal, wherein you need to know the reason for your campaign and what achievements you want to reach for that purpose and goal. While objectives is the precise goal you set. Moreover, use the SMART method in measuring your specific objectives. Then we talked about background and rationale. Always give a background story or a campaign rationale to better understand your program. Next, don't forget to do research. It will help your campaign establish strong parameters with an overview. Along with supporting data, this will supplement your campaign planning, especially in your specific industry. It can be a case study, historical data, or any supplemental data that would support your campaign. Now always make sure to have a duration or time frame. This will add clarity to specific periods in your campaign from ingress, egress, or events during the campaign to avoid hiccups or problems. Always remember each campaign is unique and execution varies with human intervention, mechanical failure, or any fortuitous event that would occur. Take note. As Murphy's Law point out that things will go wrong in any given situation, if you give them a chance, or simply whatever can go wrong, will go wrong. So don't forget to have contingencies in place. Your strategist, marketing manager, and/or operations team are the persons who will greatly help build contingencies. Remember, give contingencies to your contingencies or backup to your backup. This emphasizes the importance of having multiple layers of protection and preparedness to mitigate potential risks and unexpected events. Now let's move on to the next topic. Okay, now let's talk about who are your target audience. Another important factor is to know and understand your target audience. Keep in mind that your campaign is developed for your target audience. Understand characteristics based on research to target specific individuals or groups. You have specified targets within your objectives. Elaborated here at this point using your research and time frame. Then you prepare and design your action plan on how to attract them on what you are selling or promoting. A quick one. Talking about specific targets with your target audience. Do you want to learn more about target audience for your company? You need to learn about personas to better understand your target audience. Please leave a message personas in the comment section to learn more about personas and target audience. I will gladly help develop or improve your company target audience. Now let's discuss. Am I eligible? What is eligibility? It is part of your requirements for your target audience, but it also includes your team. Your campaign should extend beyond customer eligibility and consider involving your team as well. Remember, your team can be a powerful force in boosting sales when they're involved as brand ambassadors. Having your team eligible to join will motivate them. Being involved and create a win-win situation for both the company and the team. Then offer team members sales incentives, bonus, rewards, or other monetary or non-monetary value to motivate their participation. You need to specify who are the people or individuals will run the activity, sell, or promote your product and/or service, who are allowed and not allowed to join or participate in the activity. This can be part of the rules or governing conditions about your campaign. Includes a simple demographic target, then focus on to sell or promote your product and/or service. Here are scenarios. A. If you are selling liquor and you are not allowed to sell to minors in most countries, so this condition will be part of the eligibility campaign program. B. If you are selling shirts, you can specify from your target audience who are eligible to buy your shirt, for example, for adults only, for kids or women only that would sell a number of shirts or a fixed quantity for a season collection shirt. Remember, include your team. They are a valuable asset to the campaign, both in driving sales and boosting morale as the company's brand ambassadors. Action plan. After your campaign purpose and understanding your objective, include relevant information about the products or services, company industry, and market to better plan your campaign. Planning is everything. This will help you focus on your campaign. An action plan is not just bullet points or check boxes that you need to complete. An action plan includes different elements or actionable details that includes project activity, Break activities into tasks. Person personally responsible per team. Level of importance including start and end dates. Level of completion. From the tools and resources to use. Venue or location to prepare. Documents to fulfill. Your media plan includes your communication. Allotted budget. Strategies from your marketing product, price, place, promotion. Expected outcome and measurements. Record your projects. Notes to support project. As mentioned, you have tools and resources within your action plans. These tools and resources need to be created along with the content, along with the processes and materials that are essential to your campaign. Plan with actionable details. This will help manage the campaign through activities and projects. By breaking down elements will progress your activities in your action plan. Apply the AIDA, attention, interest, desire, action, method in making your action plans more streamlined. Use what you actually need versus irrelevant data or information not part of your action plan. Using AIDA will help your campaign action plans either applied online or offline. From start to the end of a customer's journey, applying AIDA to support their journey. To know more about AIDA and other marketing strategies, get updates on news stories and how you can apply this to other projects at the end of the article. Note: if you need a template for your action plan, you can get a copy in the link provided within the article or in the video description below. Now, make it good. Need a budget. Having a budget is an integral part of a campaign. For an advertising campaign, you need to add the production, development, and other factors. But if you hire a niche agency that can do all that, then it can be a fee for that ad campaign. A sales campaign needs different elements from your actual product, media plan components, incentives, and other variables to make it robust. In your budget, you need to include a portion for contingency that would occur and prepare for those unforeseen events. Then consolidate your budget spent and actual budget. This will reflect on your report at the end to be transparent on spending. Next in our topic, you need to know how it works, or the mechanics, implementation of a campaign, incentives, and most of all, know the secret sauce of a campaign. Please don't forget to like, subscribe and share so that everyone can learn more about creating a great campaign. All right, see you on the next topic and learn the secret sauce that will bind your campaign. Click on the next episode and I will see you there.